day to change the oil in the 12 valve. Let's pick up some oil. Got the oil. Let's get in here. Oh. About to get to the oil change here. Gonna let the truck run for about 5 to 10 minutes for it to warm up, get the oil sloshy, and then we're gonna start the whole process. I'm about to back it up too. Let's get some more light. The sun's going down. Bar drop down, isn't it? Yep.
So yeah.
All right, let's get this hood open. Ended up using a hammer to get the oil fill cap plug off. It was tightened too much. Look at that, tightened beyond repair. Minimal blow-by. This may be the thumbnail. All right, I went with SDP, 3 gallons of oil. I went with SDP because it'd save a little dollars on my 2 miles per gallon on this truck. And I got my metal funnel, got some belts just in case I need to get the filter off because I'm not paying money for the tool. I got a filter, Napa filter from Texas, came with the truck. You know, hopefully it's the right size. It's got a Ford picture on it. Got an old bucket with measurements and might have to cut some oil filter oil, who knows. There's the oil filter right in there. And I'm gonna try to get the filter off without pulling the air filter. I'm hoping it's hand tight, otherwise I'm gonna have to nick it and pull it out. Wiped all the soot off of it with my sock. Loose. Engine oil filtration. And there it is. SDP oil filter. Previous owner might have just topped the oil off because the bottom says it's MTHD 72, I think that's 2019. And I drove it back in 2020. It might not have been changed for a good year. Might have been just topped off. I wonder if I should drink this. Would you look at that? Truck is tall enough I could have caught any of that oil from the oil filter right under the axle. How many trucks can do that? How many second gens out there? Thought I may have spoke too soon because I thought the oil pan might have been too low, but no, we are very good, very good. Be able to clear that no problem. We're gold. Get it? Napa gold. We're gold. All right, we're now under the truck. There's the turbo, and if you look right there, that's where the oil filter was. And it looks dry to me. Not even a drip. I don't think anything's even in the bucket. Now we're gonna move on to draining the oil. Here is the bottom of the pan. I'm gonna dispose of it right. Don't want that going into the oil, the soil, and all the bugs and whatnot living in the center of the earth. Dang, it's tight. Over tightened. Dropped it in the oil. Probably not a good idea. There it is. We got it. Use the jack handle. Jack handle worked. Oh, there's the oil now. Yep, oil is certainly dark. Oh no. Dang it. we got out of here? Ooh, look at that. Almost 2.5 gallons. Not enough. Low oil. Look at that black gold right there. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this is my first oil change with this truck from Texas. About a 1,000,000-mile trip home. Driving about 24 hours. I think it's about 1,500-mile trip. And I figured after a long journey like that, even though it wasn't at the 3 to 5K mile mark, I figured I'd change it now. Long journeys, fairly hard on the truck, and these 40s, I mean, it's hard on it. That sure is a large tire. Time to cap it up, cap it up. There's a lot of oil here, I think. Time to cap it up after I wipe it. All right, just tightened it. Not too tight though. And just like that, we got it on. There we go. Had to go from the underneath, but we got that filter up on there. Probably gonna clean the dipstick first and then pour the oil. Oh yeah, I can already tell that's long overdue. Hasn't been changed in about 25,000 miles. And hand tighten this some. Oh yeah, make sure the old seal is off on the old filter. Down. Oh yeah. And that's the last of it. Here we go. I just capped it off the no return. All new oil is in. Cleaned off the funnel. And now it's time to take care of that nonsense back there. Shouldn't have cleaned this frickin' thing. Better go in there. Look at that. 2.5 gallons of sloshy. Cap that shit off. There we go. Can't forget about this dang oil filter. I'm gonna let the truck run for 10-15 minutes, let the oil circulate, and then the truck is done. Oil change complete. Another one in the books. Where the oil's been going. It's been leaking out of the truck, not burning out.